The Proud Crow tribe has been known throughout history for its belief in supernatural powers. The leader and shaman of this tribe was Tawodi, an old man who had the ability to communicate with the spirit world. But when fear began to take hold, the Crow tribe needed a savior. Tawodi's dreams were filled with a recurring nightmare that filled the tribe with fear and chilling. It implied that the source of the fears was a dark entity lying somewhere deep within the spirit world. This presence threatened the peace and security of the tribe. Tawodi felt that these nightmares had a meaning, and that he had to embark on a supernatural journey to save the tribe. Tawodi was highly respected as a shaman among tribal leaders and people, but when he asked for permission to embark on this journey, many did not believe him. However, with determination and courage, he sought permission from his tribe and pursued the dark spirit. His encounter with the dark entity took place in the spirit world. Using his ability to communicate with spirits, Tawodi began to fight the entity. But this fight was more complex and frightening beyond his nightmares. As Tawodi delved into the mysteries of the spirit world, he found himself at war with dark forces. As Tawodi battles the dark entity in the spirit world, the future of the tribe is in his hands. Every step, his courage and shamanic abilities were tested. However, Tawodi was determined to fight to the end for the safety of the tribe. Eventually, Tawodi's perseverance and supernatural abilities helped him overcome the dark presence and dispelled the tribe's fears. As the tribe's leader and shaman, Tawodi restored peace to the Crow tribe. However, this journey deeply affected Tawodi's soul, and he now had to live with the dark forces within himself. He always remained the protector of the tribe, but this journey changed his life forever.